Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that creates a list of three numbers, for example, 10, 20, and 30, then calculate and print the sum of the numbers in the list. So here is my list. I am declaring and initializing a list called numbers, and it has three elements, 10, 20, and 30. In order to calculate the sum of the elements in this list, we can use the sum function, and then in parentheses I'm going to type down the name of the list. So this sum function is going to add all of the numbers and calculate the sum of all the numbers in this list, and then it is going to be assigned to a variable called total. So we are basically using this sum function calculating the sum of the numbers in the numbers list, which are 10, 20, and 30, and it is going to be then assigned to variable called total. Then in the final stage, we're going to show the message the total is, and then type down the variable name. So when I run the code, I see in the output the sum is 60. So 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 30, it's 60. And we can have, for example, more numbers here. For example, if I add another number, we see the sum is 110. Then if I have another number, it will be recalculating all the sum of the numbers in this list after each run. Thank you for watching.